Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to buy ETF on E-Trade. First thing I want you to do is of course enter the stock symbol, okay, right here. So this is one for Apple, right? You select your action right here. Whether you want to buy, you want to sell, so in this case it'll be buy, and you calculate the quantity. So you can enter the dollar amount, it'll calculate how many shares you can buy. You can just enter the quantity straight up as well, okay? And then you choose your price type. So it can be market on close, limit. We'll do market, or let's do limit. And if you're doing limit, you need a limit price. So you enter that right there. And duration, it can be good for the day or basically good for 60 days, right? Or good until date, meet it or cancel, depending on what you want. Just do good for day. And then what you need to do is just go ahead and make sure everything is correct, right? You'll see the total amount. And then you just preview your order. Okay, there you go. And once you're happy with it, just go ahead and place your order. You'll see this right there. Your order has been placed. Really that easy. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash that like button. Subscribe to App Mentor.